Hi, it is our fourth video related to WordPress website development course. In this video, I will tell you how you can set your home page at front of your website. As you can see, it is empty. It is our URL of our website and it is empty. It's not our home. Now we will set our home page at front of our website. We will go to setting, then we will go to reading option. In that you will select option a static page. In static page you will select home page, and here we will select our home page. Then we will save our settings, save changes, and now you can see that it's our home page in front of our website. And now you can check in pages. It will shows up that it is our front page. Here you can see it is our front page of our website. If you like the video, then please subscribe my channel and like. Thanks.